Okay, so day one before I leave, I just went to the store and got all the little stuff that I need. Spent like $90, okay. But it was just like small stuff because I don't have a carry-on, I just have a personal bag. So yeah, I just got off work like not that long ago. And now I have to go home and get ready and straighten my hair because I get my hair done tomorrow. Okay, bye. Oh, we're still here. Oops. Found them. Say hello. Wow! Go to the vlog.
Yeah.
You got anything else to say?
No.
No? Okay, let's go. Anything you want to say to the vlog?
Is that a vlog?
It's a vlog.
Oh, hell no.
What happened, Titan? What's going on over there?
Trust me.
Okay, it's trash.
Hey, don't say this shit.
I'm not.
Okay, let me say. I don't know what you're talking
Okay, yeah, you made it sound like you were saying the whole thing was trash. But you just didn't like the bok choy.
Bok choy.
No.
Bok choy?
Hey, what's up, vlog? We in this bitch.
That boy about to break the screen like that.
Ooh. What the hell? So dumb. What's happening?
Press yourself, fool! Think about that whip, homie. Born ready. Action. Earth. This is not my avatar. This is not my avatar at all. Oh shoot, get in. How you gonna make extra part of scratch? Okay. Oh, there you go. Now that's a real Kamehameha right here. This is not correct. Hell no.
Oh, how you been tapping this whole time?
I've been recording.
Oh, that works too. Touch the butt. Are you supposed to do that?
I don't think so.
Can't get no.
Oh my god! What's up, vlog?
Put them on.
Nice.
What's good?
Hey guys, we just left California sauce. Yeah.
We got quite a haul here.
What'd you get first?
We got the MILF socks.
Nice, nice.
Man, I love frogs.
I love those too.
Move, bitch. Get out the hay.
Whoa, bitch.
Got some Stewie socks. The
Nice.
classic.
Nice, Family Guy. Wonderful.
Can't get socks without getting the Spider-Mans. Dollar signs. Money, money.
Oh, we about the money. Let me see that real quick. Oh, these nice.
Got the retro Nickelodeon vibes.
My boy was eating in there. Let me see. Nice.
And that's it, I guess.
That's it?
Yeah.
Why you want to talk about the Spider-Man ones?
Oh. I talked about these.
Oh, you did?
Can't get
Yeah.
the socks without getting Spider-Man.
Oh.
$1 bills, y'all.
San Diego.
San Diego.
They got socks in there too.
Hey guys, it's your girl, Miss Murder. And we're at the Lego store.
That's pretty amazing. Yellow curly hair mixed with pink. Damn, Titan stinks. I'm on the brink of beating motherfuckers up wherever I go. It don't even matter if they tall or small. Motherfucking yeah, we just walking around the mall like you see the young nigga that's doing it, but you call my phone number. Got some hoes wanna, cause they wanna come over and they won't slow. Yeah. And it's too easy. Girl, tease me before you please me.
Oh.
Get in between these.
I went back in.
You
just slow.
You were like this. Just like that. You did that.
Just like
same
that.
thing. You can't
And
do
you got
that.
it.
You tell me I can't do it and then you want to do it.
No, because you hold
yeah.
it and you go,
You literally just went like this.
yeah, because I saw it.
Oh, so you agree you're cheating?
No, because
That's my whole point. You said you're cheating and you said yeah. No, all right, come on. Dumbass. You got it. Don't worry about it.
Okay, we're going to see a movie, scary movie. We're late. Oh my god, we're ready. We're gonna see Night Lovell. Ah! What can I see? I got good intentions, it was just a bad idea.
Hey, what up, vlog? We're at the Night Lovell concert. Nothing turn up.
Alright, Titan, so what happened?
Wait till I get on this road.
You had your own little VIP. VIP booth thanks to us.
Yeah.
Why is that?
We're chilling, we fighting up
Your
the
little
whole
ass,
fucking world.
your little ass did not get touched, not one time. I'm convinced. Tell me how many times you feel a bump.
Only time you
Probably like 4 times.
Only time he straight up got pushed was when they went fucking
You know how?
sideways.
Do you got fucking shoved? You know when? I'm about to get into this shit. You know when Night Lovell climbed up, right?
Yeah. Oh, in his hand. Yeah.
This stupid motherfucker behind me trying to rest his shoulder or his fucking elbow to record on me. I looked at him. I said, "Bro, get your fucking hand off me, bro." Like, what are we talking about? We over here getting shoved and shit. I'm like, okay, I gotta hold this me off. You actually made me so fucking mad. Cause I literally said, "Hey, Murder, move a little so I can put my hand right here." You said,
I did move. I moved as much as I could.
Then
I took a step.
Then one of the times,
I felt like out the side of my eye, I saw her move right back.
bro, Titan had, hold this. Titan had 2 fucking hands on this bitch, solid as a motherfucker, right? Dog, I had to tell Titan because your goofy ass wouldn't move. So I was like, Titan, drop your right arm so she can go left, and then I'm gonna hold the right on this side. You had the perfect goddamn sanctuary, and you didn't even fucking know. You had no idea what this shit we was going through.
My hair?
Oh my, you fucking hit me in my face. You said, I don't remember what fucking song it was. You said, I said, no! Fucking back. Bro, I was in the back, front, back, side. The little Asian girl got in front of me somehow.
Oh my, yeah, she was. In the
said-
beginning, she was really trying to squeeze in between me.
I
told the guy next to me, I said, yo, is this girl next behind you trying to... Well, I don't know why I said that. It's because you said that. But, like, I was like, yo, is this girl behind you, like, bumping you, trying to squeeze in? He's like, yeah. I was like, all right, bro, lock it up because I ain't letting nobody in. He's like, I got you.
Don't even talk to me about locking it up. This motherfucking clown right here. I said, this is like 40 minutes before it happened. You remember when I was, like, irritated as shit and you turn around and you was like, what's wrong?
Yeah.
You don't listen to nothing I say, bro. It's like I just be talking to a void.
I feel like 2 steps.
And that was all that needed. The dude who was to the left of Titan, right?
Yeah.
Completely to the left, shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah.
This me. How's he on me?
I thought he was behind Titan the whole time since the beginning.
Was he behind you, Titan? Or was he elbow to elbow?
I couldn't.
Yo, this was damn near locked arms.
I barely recognized anybody. I was just holding on.
The only other black weird.
Oh yeah, the black dude.
Because he wasn't like really black, but
Then I saw him beside me.
his skin was black.
Then he was trying to get to switch with the girl beside him. And
Yeah.
I kept feeling her look me dead in my face. I'm looking dead at Night Lovell, acting like I don't see her eyes.
And you know the dude that you saw with the Scully with the mask on?
Yeah, where'd he go?
That bitch ass dude, man. He literally tried to shove like me and the guy who Titan let in.
Uh-huh.
He tried to shove me and that looked at him dead ass in the fucking face and like, Cause at first I wasn't fucking with dude until he helped me move the balloon out the way. I was like, okay, I ain't got no problem with you. But yeah, you was safe.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. My time was pretty safe for the most part.
When I started doing this, I was pushing everybody back.
I swear, bro. I was using that as my opportunity to get the fuck off.
I'm like, I'm feeling this. Get the fuck off of me.
Doing this shit extra hard, bro. Did you feel when everybody was waving left? I mean, right?
Yes. That was the time I was getting moved, and I was like, oh shit. I think that's when we were sandwiched really tight. I don't think you realized, but like, I was on the bar, like smashed to it, and the whole thing was just moving. All the girls in the front, we was just going left and right.
Yeah, at that point, Titan was like moving me. I was moving him. Like at that point, like we couldn't stop that shit. Like, yeah, no, I almost fell. I had to.
That's why I had to use that little gap they had between them.
Bro, it was so dumb how in the
Black
beginning
dude.
she had her legs so wide straddled.
Hey,
And she's like, for my sister.
no
like,
bullshit. When,
shut the fuck
when we
up.
got up there, and like that's why I said what I said. I said fuck that. So I asked the dude who was next to them. I was like, y'all mind if we like get in the other side, like kind of like between them and shit? And he was like, oh, that's between you guys and her.
Yeah, little pussy ass bitch.
Pussy ass and fucking dweeb ass.
That's
That-
why
then-
when I
then-
saw her sister, She put her elbows up. I put my hands on the bar and I threw my elbows up. I was like, bitch, I'm taller than you. Like, you are not gonna beat me to this railing.
Nah, for me it was with Harper because I actually like tried because I'm a fucking dumbass. I thought Harper was the first.
The first guy?
Yeah. So
I felt like you thought it was.
I was giving everything.
Yeah,
I ain't
because
know.
you were. I was like,
really
you really
cool,
hyping
man.
it. Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Like, damn.
My mom said if you ever on stage doing the choir and you don't know the words, just say pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Because the way your
Pineapple,
mouth,
pineapple,
it
pineapple.
looks like
I thought it was peas and carrots.
She told me pineapple, pineapple. So if y'all didn't hear me the whole time, I was like pineapple, 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 pineapple.
Yeah!
No, I had to be, because that video that we watched with Harper, like at that big ass whatever the fuck it wasn't live.
Yeah.
Like, fuck that.
Okay, hi vlog. We're at another movie on our Sunday before we leave, and I got me a cute little icy. We're gonna see.
Listen,
What are we gonna see?
some
Why
scary
don't I say
movie.
immaculate?
Oh, immaculate.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's hilarious because that's your word.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, wait, no way, it's actually called that. I had to think a sec, but yeah. Icy. Okay, bye vlog.
$2 months. What happens in 2 months? Y'all come back or something?
Get over us. Can I get an ooh and an ah? Anything y'all want to say?
I just want to say thank you for coming to my park. We work really hard out here because the dolphins have a trap right there. And now, you know, he's slow. We had a private buyout. Just like the millionaire.
Nice.
Jumps in the water.
Ooh, serve, oh! This is clean right here.